introduce a popular model of wheel excavator in 10-ton class, JG120S. The model is with 10-ton operating weight and solid tires. The dig bucket may easily change to attachments like overs, hammer, and hydraulic shear for railway use. The industry-leading hydraulic system increases the flow speed, and the model has been equipped with exceptional digging force and lifting capacity to improve the productivity.
Moving into the cab, let's explore how you can take control of your comfort. New design cab offers the ultimate in comfort, and high quality that will immediately make you feel at ease, and also provide lower levels of noise and vibration. Suspension seats will move together with control, which helps you to feel less tired at the end of the working day. The view through the cab's front window is also improved by the slim steering column. All switches are easy to see and reach.
100 horsepower Cummins diesel engine helps the excavator show excellent performance in slope climbing and materials loading. Thanks to fuel consumption and efficient operation in a variety of applications, the profit will increase. So if you have any interest, please feel free to contact us.